Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can unlock crafting materials in Heartopia. So, for instance, I wanted to craft the cinema director chair, and it says the operation contains the following locked content. Please proceed with caution. You can either hold to continue, or you can unlock it in your inventory. So, let me just go to my inventory here and find the material that I want to use. So if we can just find it, I think it's here somewhere. Okay. So just press like the unlock button and it will unlock everything so that when you want to craft another item using that material, you don't have to unlock it every single time. Like so, for instance, I want to make this. I can, oh my gosh, this uses quality timber. Let's not make that. Maybe this rug, same thing, but you're just going to press craft and it will basically craft it immediately. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!